In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view version history on Google Sites. If you've ever wanted to check earlier edits on your site, compare changes, or simply keep track of updates over time, the version history feature is a really helpful tool. It gives you a quick way to look back at previous versions of your Google site without needing to guess what was changed or when it happened. To get started, open Google Sites and go to the site you want to work with. Make sure you're opening the site in editing mode, not just viewing the published version. This is important because the version history option is available from inside the site editor. Once the site loads, give yourself a moment to confirm that you're on the correct project before moving on. Next, look toward the top area of the screen, near the Publish button. You'll see a three-dot menu there. This menu contains extra options for managing your site, including tools that are not shown directly on the main editing panel. Click those three dots to open the drop-down menu. After the menu appears, look through the available options and click Version History. As soon as you select it, Google Sites will open the Version History panel where you can review earlier saved versions of the site. This is useful if you want to understand how the site has evolved, check edits made during a previous session, or revisit an older layout or piece of content. When you're viewing version history, take your time reading through the available entries so you can identify the version you need. If your site has gone through multiple updates, this can make it much easier to find the right point in time. It's especially helpful for teams or anyone making frequent edits because it provides a clearer picture of the site's editing timeline. A good tip here is to use version history whenever you make major changes to your site, especially before and after redesigns or content updates. Even if you're working alone, it can be a simple way to stay organized and feel more confident about editing. And that's all there is to it. Open your site, click the three dots beside Publish, and select Version History to see previous versions of your Google site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your site updates more easily.